Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as sex-linked traits. We are going to study this part of biology with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, sex-linked traits are characters controlled by genes located on dash A. Sex chromosomes, B. Autosomes, C. Cytoplasm, D. Golgi body. In this question, the correct answer is A. Sex chromosomes. Sex-linked traits are those traits or characters that are controlled by genes located on sex chromosomes. So these traits are located mainly on X chromosomes. The next question says, in humans, the sex chromosomes of females are dash A. XX chromosomes, B. XY chromosomes, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. XX chromosomes. So in human beings, the sex chromosomes of females are XX chromosomes. So studies have shown that the egg cell of a woman has X chromosome. So during sexual reproduction, the sperm cell will fertilize the egg cell, and if the sperm cell contains or containing X chromosome fertilizes the egg cell, it will now make that woman or that baby to have XX chromosomes. So generally females have XX chromosomes as their sex chromosomes. The next question says, in humans, the sex chromosomes of males are dash A. XX chromosomes, B. XY chromosomes, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. XY chromosomes. So studies have shown that in human beings, the sex chromosomes of males are XY chromosomes. The next question says, which of the following chromosomes is rich in genes that help in the development of testes in the foetus found in the uterus? A. X chromosome, B. Y chromosome, C. Autosome, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Y chromosome. So Y chromosome is the chromosome that is rich in genes, or that contains the genes that help in the development of testes in the foetus found in the womb or uterus. The next question says, if an egg cell is fertilized by a sperm cell containing X chromosome, the offspring produced will be dash A. Male, B. Female, C. Water, D. Enzyme. In this question, the correct answer is B. Female. So if an egg cell is fertilized by a sperm cell containing X chromosome, the offspring produced will be female. Studies have shown that each egg cell of a woman contains X chromosome. So when the egg cell of a woman that contains X chromosome is fertilized by a sperm cell containing X chromosome, the offspring that will be produced will be female, because female are the ones that have XX chromosomes as their sex chromosomes. The next question says, if an egg cell is fertilized by a sperm cell containing Y chromosome, the offspring produced will be dash: A. Male, B. Female, C. Water, D. Golgi body. In this question, the correct answer is A. Male. If an egg cell is fertilized by a sperm cell containing Y chromosome, the offspring that will be produced will now have XY chromosome, and the gender, the human gender that has XY chromosome, is the male gender. So anytime that an egg cell is fertilized by a sperm cell containing Y chromosome, the offspring produced will be male, because we have already said that the egg cell contains X chromosome. Each egg cell in a woman contains X chromosome, and if the egg cell is fertilized by a sperm cell containing Y chromosome, it will result in production of offspring that is male. The next question says, which of the following is true about ocular albinism? A. It occurs due to lack of melanin in the eye. B. It is a sex-linked trait. C. It leads to vision problem. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There is what we call ocular albinism. This ocular albinism is a situation whereby there is lack of melanin in the eye. Melanin is a pigment that is responsible for the color of the skin, the color of the hair, and even the eye color. So in a situation whereby we have this ocular albinism, it occurs due to lack of melanin in the eye, and this ocular albinism is one of the sex-linked traits, and studies have shown that this ocular albinism can lead to vision issues or problem. All these things are facts about ocular albinism. The next question says, the process whereby skin cells produce melanin is called dash: A. Spermatogenesis, B. Oogenesis, C. Melanogenesis, D. Osmosis. In this question, the correct answer is C. Melanogenesis. Melanogenesis is the process that deals with production of melanin by the skin cells. So there is the skin cells play a great role in production of melanin. So the process whereby melanin is produced by the skin cells, called melanocytes, is best described as melanogenesis. The next question says, a condition whereby there is difficulty in the clotting of blood, leading to excessive bleeding even from a small injury, is best described as dash: A. Malaria, B. Hemophilia, C. Albinism, D. Color blindness. In this question, the correct answer is B, hemophilia. Hemophilia is a condition whereby there is a great difficulty in the clotting of blood, leading to excessive bleeding even from a small injury. So when someone is suffering from this hemophilia, there will be a serious problem in clotting of blood, and once there is any little injury, that individual will lose blood so much as if to say, or as if the individual sustained a great injury. So once someone is having this problem, there will be a serious issue in the clotting of blood in such a way that there will be excessive bleeding even from a small injury or cut. The next question says, which of the following is true about hemophilia? A, it is a sex-linked trait. B, the inheritance pattern of hemophilia in male and female are different. C, it is a blood disorder. D, all of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D, all of the above. Research have shown that hemophilia is a sex-linked trait because it is a trait that is controlled by genes located on the sex chromosome, and the inheritance pattern of hemophilia in male and female are different. Studies have shown that this hemophilia is a blood disease or is a blood disorder. All these things are facts about hemophilia. The next question says, a sex-linked trait which makes an individual unable to differentiate colors is best described as dash. A, night blindness. B, color blindness. C, typhoid fever. D, cholera. In this question, the correct answer is B, color blindness. Color blindness is a sex-linked trait which makes an individual unable to differentiate colors. So once an individual is suffering from this color blindness, he or she will find it very difficult to differentiate colors of things. The next question says, which of the following is true about color blindness? A, it is hereditary. B, it is more common in males than females. C, it is controlled by genes located on X chromosome. D, all of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D, all of the above. This problem known as color blindness is hereditary, meaning that it can be transmitted from parents to their offspring. And this color blindness, because of the fact that it is a genetic abnormality, studies have shown that it is more common in males than in females. This trait or this problem is controlled by genes located on X chromosome. All these things are facts about color blindness. The next question says, a sex-linked trait characterized by muscle weakness leading to difficulty in standing up or even movement is best described as dash. A, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. B, enzyme. C, gametogenesis. D, hormones. In this question, the correct answer is A, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. This Duchenne muscular dystrophy is a sex-linked trait that is characterized by muscle weakness, leading to difficulty in standing up or even movement in an individual. So this is one of the sex-linked traits that is controlled, or this is one of the traits controlled by genes located on X chromosomes. The next question says, Duchenne muscular dystrophy is more common in males than females. A. True. B. False. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. This issue known as Duchenne muscular dystrophy is more common in males than females. So studies have shown that males are prone to this issue compared to female because this sex-linked trait is controlled by genes located on X chromosomes, and males have XY chromosomes. So once a male inherits the wrong copy of the genes controlling this, males can easily be affected. But females have XX chromosome. So before a female gets this issue, it means that the two chromosomes, or there must be inheritance of the wrong copies of the genes on the two X chromosome before the females get affected. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. In this channel, we make educational video in the area of biology.